So let's move ahead, and from this video we are going to step ahead in the Docker. So first thing, you have to go onto my repository over here, okay? And here, as you can see that I have this application Python Docker. So you have to just clone this application, or you can either download it. So I'm just going to clone this application, okay? And so let's me open my terminal over here and get clone. I'm just cloning this application. Okay, so our application is successfully cloned. And one thing I have to show you, so this is not a normal application. So this is the application. So let me first drag and drop this folder into my VS Code. So let's understand. Okay, so if you open this file, okay, readme.txt. So as you can see that not the readme.txt, it's app.py. So this is not an ordinary application. So in this application, we have the backend also, which means we have the MongoDB, and it's connected the backend to the front end using the MongoDB. So once we run the application, so it's print the hello world, and this is the Python app. So let me show you. So first, follow all the installation process over here. So first thing, we have to clone this repo. So we have already done it, and later on you have to use this command and just cd to the directory. So let me first run this application, so later on you can understand. So I'm just going to paste this command. Okay, pip not available, which means I have to use pip3. Okay, for running this application you need the Python and the MongoDB. So this is the two things is essential for running this application. So this is the pip3 install -r and requirement.txt. So which means, so if you open the requirement.txt, so we have these two requirements over here, like PyMongo and the Flask. So this is the requirement for running this application. This is the same thing that we have done in the React application, like npm install. So it's install all the dependency, and those things also same over here. Okay, so we are going to run this command. So let me open my terminal over here, and if you run this command, so it's going to install all the requirements, and as you can see that within a second all the requirements is installed. Okay, then we are going to run this application from the not the Python app.py. So we are going to run the application using Python 3 app.py. Okay, the port address is use port 80. So I think, okay, this application is using my port, so I'm just going to remove that one. Okay, so later on we can just Python 3 and app.py. Okay, so our application is started over here. So we can visit this URL. Okay, so as you can see that our application is running. So hello world, this is the Python app connected to MongoDB. Okay, so which means, so if you have all the things like Python and the MongoDB, so it's going to install all the dependency, and later on you can run the application and you will get this type of message from the browser. So now our application is running. So let's try to containerize this application.